20 healthy and tasty family meals ideas to try this week. It's 5 p.m. and you're exhausted. The kids are hungry, but no one knows what they want to eat for dinner. With very little energy, you force yourself into the kitchen and look through every cabinet, hoping for a spark of inspiration. Eventually, you toss a few ingredients together and hope for the best. It won't win any prizes and falls short of what you consider healthy, but it fills everyone's stomachs. Feeding a family can be stressful, even tiresome. It's hard to find the energy and creativity needed to cook healthy but simple family meals. It's easy to fall into the anything goes mentality. When you've got a busy lifestyle, meals become more about survival and less about nutrition. Here are 20 quick and healthy, but tasty, recipes followed by tips on making these family meals more nutritious. These recipes can help you have a healthy family meal on the table in an hour or less. Remember, swap ingredients out if someone in your family has dietary restrictions or if you avoid certain foods. 1. Mini meatloaves with green beans and potatoes. These miniature meatloaves come together quickly and cook faster. 2. You can have a family favorite on the table, paired with seasoned potatoes and fresh green beans, in just 40 minutes. 2. 1-pan chicken parmesan pasta. This classic will taste like you spent hours cooking, but the preparation and cleanup couldn't be quicker. One-pot cooking makes this dish practical, while fresh basil, parmesan, and garlic add a special touch. 3. Sheet pan chicken fajitas. Skip the restaurant and make fajitas at home. The ingredients go on one sheet pan, meaning you won't spend all night cleaning. Zesty chicken, bell peppers, and warm tortillas can be on the table in 40 minutes. Add sour cream, salsa, guacamole, lettuce, diced tomato, and any other favorite toppings. 4. Philly cheesesteak stuffed peppers. Lose the carbs but keep the cheesesteak flavors with this quick family meal. Kids will love the pepper bowls, and you'll love giving them a meal full of veggies and protein to keep them healthy. 5. Chipotle chicken quinoa burrito bowl. This veggie-packed meal adds an extra boost by using the superfood quinoa instead of rice. Flavorful yet simple, this meal makes an excellent packable lunch or dinner for your whole family. 6. Spinach and chicken skillet with lemon and parmesan. The complex flavors of lemon and parmesan come together nicely in this gourmet-like dish, but you don't have to exert the effort or spend as much as a gourmet meal. 7. Oven-fried fish and chips. Fish and chips can also sometimes be healthy as evident in this oven-fried version. You won't miss the calories with this favorite family meal. 8. Pineapple teriyaki chicken. Tangy pineapple and sweet teriyaki will have everyone coming back for seconds. Frozen vegetables make this simple family dish even easier to make and enjoy. 9. Mozzarella, basil, and zucchini frittata. This egg dish is usually served for breakfast, but a frittata can make a fantastic dinner, too. High in protein, packed with zucchini, and delicious, there's no reason to wait until morning. 10. Chicken and sweet potato grill packets. Skip the pans and throw everything into foil with this fun family recipe. Kids will love loading ingredients into their pack, and you'll love its versatility and simplicity. 11. Chicken and Spanish rice. Cauliflower takes the place of rice in this low-carb family meal, but it's so flavorful and filling, no one will miss it. 12. Honey chicken stir-fry. This honey chicken stir-fry is the healthier version of a restaurant favorite that can be served up quicker than you can order it. 13. Chicken skewers with tzatziki. Greek chicken and tzatziki sauce will have you yearning for the Mediterranean, but you can make this recipe at home for your family to enjoy. 14. Healthy walking tacos. Traditional walking tacos are a party favorite, but they're not usually healthy. However, this recipe keeps it fun while making it more nutritious. 15. Slow cooker chicken noodle soup. This classic comfort meal can be ready when you walk in the door. All you have to do is add noodles, and it's ready to serve. 16. Cheesy chicken and rice casserole. This usually takes a little over an hour, but the preparation time is only 30 minutes. You'll love how easy it is, and the cheesy rice is sure to please. 17. Crock-pot rotisserie style chicken. Skip the checkout line and have a rotisserie-style chicken ready at home. A staple in many quick meals, you might find this family meal recipe among your most used. 18. Santa Monica Street Tacos. Named after a simple taco found on the streets of California, you'll be surprised that something with only a few ingredients can be so flavorful. Your kids will surely enjoy them. 19. Pizza Pasta Salad. Enjoy the flavor of pizza without the hassle of making a crust. Use a fun pasta shape to make this even more appealing to your family, especially kids. 20. Slow cooker lasagna soup. Everyone loves lasagna, but it can be time-consuming and messy to make. However, this soup version has the taste you want but with the ease of a crock pot.